Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Puran Poli, which is a traditional Maharashtrian sweet flatbread stuffed with sweet lentils and jaggery filling, which is known as Puran. This recipe is sweet prepared for special occasions and festivals like Dhonde, which is known as Adhik Mas. Preparing Puran Poli for Dhonde festival involves making a soft dough and smooth lentil jaggery filling, and divide the dough filling into equal portion. Stuff the dough, gently roll it into thin flat bread and roast it on the hot pan or tawa with desi ghee. Ingredient needed for this Puran Poli: we need chana dal or Bengal gram 2 cups, jaggery grated or powder 1.5 cups, adjust as your taste, desi ghee 2 tablespoons, cardamom powder 1/2 tablespoon, water 3 cups for boiling. First step is to make the sweet puran. Rinse the chana dal thoroughly and soak in water for 1 hour. Pressure cook the soaked dal with 3 cups of water on medium flame until it is soft but not mushy. Drain the water completely using the strainer. Next step is to cook the mashed dal and jaggery grated. Heat a pan on a low medium heat. Add mashed dal and jaggery. Cook the mixture while stirring continuously so it doesn't stick to the bottom. The jaggery will melt, making the mixture runny first. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens and leaves the side of the pan. In this time, add desi ghee, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder and mix well. Add fennel seed powder or badi soap. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. It cools, it will form the dough-like consistency. Mash the mixture of boiled dal and jaggery using potato masher or a strainer. Grind it in the mixer to smooth lump paste. Pass this hot mixture through puran maker or press it through fine mash soup strainer. Second step is to shape and roll the Puran Poli. Take a dough ball, flatten it slightly. Place the ball of puran filling in the center. Bring the edges of dough together to seal the filling completely at the top. Pinch off any excess dough. Dust your rolling surface lightly with flour. Place the stuffed ball and gently roll it out evenly into thin flat bread poli using rolling pin. To prevent your Puran Poli from tearing while rolling, focus on using uniform, gentle pressure from the center to outward. Move the rolling pin outward to push the stuffing evenly to the edges. Heat the tawa or pan on medium heat. Place the rolled Puran Poli on hot pan. When you see tiny bubbles forming on the surface, flip it gently. Smear a spoonful of desi ghee on the top and spread it around. Flip it again and smear desi ghee on the other side also. Cook until both the sides have golden brown spots. To puff up your Puran Poli, cook the first side for 50 to 20 seconds until tiny bubbles appears. Then flip immediately. Smear desi ghee generously on flipped surface to soften the skin. Second flip, wait for 30 seconds to form golden spot on the bottom and then flip it again. Gently press the outer edges with folded clean cloth or flat silicone spatula. The core secret to puffing Puran Poli is trapping steam between two perfectly sealed layers of dough. If steam escapes through the holes, the dough is too stiff. Knead with oil. Your outer dough must be soft and stretchable as pizza dough to expound without tearing. The sweet lentil filling and the outer dough must be exact same softness. For puff up, roll evenly from the center out so the dough thickness is identical everywhere. Use a medium-high hot griddle or pan to instantly seal the outer skin and trap the internal moisture. Repeat the same process for second Puran Poli. Take the dough ball, flatten it and shape it into a small cup using your fingers. Place the Puran ball in the center and pull the edges of dough upward to completely covering the filling. Pinch the top to seal tightly. Dust your rolling board with little rice flour or wheat flour. Place the stuffed ball and roll it out gently into thin, even circle. Gently roll it out evenly into a thin flatbread Puran Poli using a rolling pin. Heat your flat tawa or pan on medium-high heat. Place the rolled Puran Poli on the hot pan. When you see tiny bubbles, gently flip it. Spread tea tablespoon of desi ghee over the surface. Flip it again and apply the desi ghee on the other side also. Cook until you see lovely golden brown spot. Remove the Puran Poli from the pan or tawa and let it cool slightly. Serving this beautiful combination of sweet Puran Poli with fresh amras, mango juice, spicy amti, steam hot rice and crispy papad in a shining brass plate creates the authentic Maharashtrian layout. Serve your sweet mango juice and amti in a small separate brass bowls. If you like this Puran Poli recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.